Is your Chevy Suburban's key fob not working reliably? A weak battery is the most common cause. This video shows you how to replace the battery in your 2015-2020 Chevy Suburban key fob. It's a simple DIY task that can save you money and restore full functionality. The process involves opening the fob, replacing the CR2032 battery, and reassembling. The 2015-2020 Chevy Suburban key fob requires a specific battery type. It uses a CR2032 lithium coin battery, which is a 3-volt button cell that powers the remote keyless entry functions. This battery provides consistent performance and is designed for this vehicle's key fob system. To identify the CR2032, refer to this battery size chart. The CR2032 measures 20 millimeters in diameter and 3.2 millimeters in thickness, distinguishing it from other coin cell batteries like CR2025 or CR2016. Ensure you have a fresh CR2032 battery before beginning the replacement. These are widely available at electronic stores, automotive parts retailers, or online retailers. To replace the key fob battery, you'll need a few basic tools. A small flathead screwdriver or even a coin can be used to carefully pry open the fob without damaging it. You'll need a new CR2032 lithium coin battery, which provides the 3 volts needed for the fob's radio signals. Make sure to get a genuine lithium battery to ensure proper voltage and longevity. Optionally, a plastic pry tool can help open the fob without scratching the plastic casing. These tools are inexpensive and designed for delicate electronic work. Finally, wearing gloves is recommended to keep the battery contacts clean and prevent static electricity from damaging the fob's electronics. This is especially important in dry environments. Locate the small notch or seam on the side of the key fob. This is where the two halves of the casing meet and can be separated. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently twist to pry open the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid cracking the plastic. Some models, especially 2015-2017 Chevy Suburbans, may have a small screw that needs to be removed first before prying open the fob. Check for this before proceeding. Once the fob is open, carefully pop out the old battery using the screwdriver tip. Note the orientation of the battery, specifically which side is facing up, the positive side. This is crucial for installing the new battery correctly. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the fob circuitry, matching the orientation you noted earlier. Make sure no dirt or debris gets into the battery compartment. Now snap the two halves of the key fob back together securely. Make sure they click into place firmly to ensure proper contact. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it locks and unlocks your vehicle. You should hear the doors respond and see the lights flash. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation. The positive side should face up toward the buttons. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. Consult your owner's manual for the specific reprogramming sequence, which typically involves cycling the vehicle's ignition or holding certain buttons while turning the key. If problems persist after reprogramming, a visit to a dealership may be required for professional assistance. Also, ensure to dispose of the old battery properly by considering lithium recycling programs where available to protect the environment.